Last video we handled the single clip, color, speed, transforms. Today we edit effects and transitions applied by name, where you want them, on every selected clip. A long piece of footage that cuts itself at every scene change, and clips flying into the timeline straight from the project panel, animated title included. Let's start with effects. Premiere Clip Effect applies an effect by name to the selected clips. Which name? Ask it. The list macro prints every available effect in the log. Over 100 on this machine, video and audio. Let's pick one. Gaussian blur on the selected clip. There it is in effect controls, ready. Fine-tuning stays right there, where you've always done it. The macro just saves you the trip to the effects panel. And the selection can be wide. 3 clips, black and white, and all 3 turn monochrome. 1 click, 3 clips, 1 effect. And in the form you can switch to the audio family too, for compressors and EQs. Premiere Clip Transition puts a transition where you say, clip start, clip end, or both. I select the whole row, 1 click, a 1-second cross dissolve on every cut. In the form, you pick position and duration. And there's a list macro here too. Over 100 transitions available, your third-party ones included. One heads up about the names. In the list, you'll see technical prefixes, aid EB and friends. You only type the readable part, push, dip to black. The matching handles the rest. And if the experiment doesn't land, 1 Control-Z and the whole row of dissolves is gone in 1 step. And now, the part that looks like magic, scene edit detection. You've got long footage, maybe exported from another platform, maybe recorded in one go, and all the scene changes live inside a single clip. Select it, 1 click. Premiere analyzes the footage and puts a cut at every scene change. On long clips, it takes a few seconds. Let work, the action has an adjustable timeout too. And if cuts aren't what you want, in the form you pick the outcome, real cuts, or just markers on the scene changes, or ready-made subclips in the project. From one monolithic clip to a pre-chopped timeline. This is the click that pays for the video. 2 last tools, and here the direction flips. We don't start from a selected clip, we start from the project. Premiere Timeline Insert takes a project panel item. You search it by name, bins included, and drops it in the timeline at the playhead on the track you choose. In Insert mode, the following clips shift to make room. In Overwrite, it covers what's there. And it's twin for graphics. Insert MOGRT drops a motion graphics template, a .mogrt file, the animated titles from Essential Graphics, straight into the timeline. Your standard lower third, always the same, always at the playhead. This is the macro you write once and use for years. Recapping the toolbox. Last video, the single clip, color, properties, speed, trim, transform. Today, the edit, effects, and transitions by name, scene detect chopping the footage, inserts, and templates from the project. All of it lives on the panel buttons inside Premiere. All of it combines in macros. One button can drop the effect, the transition, and the title in a single pass. The Adobe series continues, and from here on, editing is also a matter of buttons. See you in the next video.